Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Do you like my furry little poof balls that I have on my fluffy sweater? Ooh. Oh, here I am. I want to talk to you about, I don't know if you saw my Instagram story earlier, but I asked what I should film, if I should film this super awesome highlighter, which I'm going to end up filming today too, or if I should film how I got my lips to look like this. I have pretty big lips, but right now they look extra plump and full, right? Well, I'm going to show you how I got this literally overnight. Literally overnight. Like, I'm gonna throw the pictures in. I had them at the beginning. I don't know if you saw. I'm gonna throw the pictures in, the before and afters. When I say such a drastic difference, it's not even like one of those things where you have to look at the pictures and be like, well, do I see? It's an extreme difference. And when I say this is seriously from last night, I took this picture right before I went to bed. And then the second I got up, I took the other picture, and that was how much of a difference there was. Like, mind-boggling, right? Mind-boggling. So, I used 2 products to achieve this, and I'm going to actually demonstrate it for you right here. And then we are going to see if we see a difference even in my lips here when I do it on film. Okay, so I actually just took a picture of what my lips look like right now, and they looked all crooked and like weird. It was like, I don't know, but I'm like, whatever, we're using it. Then we're gonna do my little thing here, and we're gonna see if there's a difference. So first we have the Derma Roller that I'm dropping, that I used the other day. Just the 0.25 needles, and we are actually gonna use this on our lips. It's not even scary, I promise. It's not scary, I promise. I actually enjoyed it, and I think it works. I think that since that's like the 0.25 one, that you could honestly do this daily, or what said every week, maybe not daily, but I would say you could do it like every other day. It's not doing anything like harmful. I think you would notice a permanent difference with your lips. It said you would. Oh, I mean, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Okay, so the next is my, what I rave about all the time, what I get at Marshall's for $2.99, okay, for a pack of 5. It's this brand Pucker Up Shea Butter Lip Masks. I saw them on Amazon just now for a 5-pack for $7.99. They have all kinds of different kinds, like aloe, strawberry. I always get this shea butter one. I don't know where else you would get them. I guess just online other than in Amazon. I mean, Amazon or than in Marshall's and TJ Maxx. That's where I always find them. I swear by these. Like, I am not even kidding. I swear by them. Even without the Derma Roller, which I think the Derma Roller did help. But if I use them without it, just put them on at night, wake up in the morning, the difference is drastic. So drastic. I'm not even kidding. So it says a natural shea butter lip mask helps hydrate dry lips. Ideal for use after wearing matte lipsticks and stains. Gentle enough for everyday use. One size fits all. How to use. Apply mask to lips and smooth out wrinkles. After 15 minutes, discard and massage remaining serum into lips. Note, masks are one-time use only. So we are gonna Derma roll my lips here, and then we are gonna apply the mask, sit and wait for 15 minutes, and we're gonna see if there's a difference. So let's get started. And I'm gonna Derma roll my lips just how I Derma roll my face. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna go up and down first. And I like to kind of stick my lips out so you get the inside too. And of course, I used a totally clean Derma Roller. I mean, it's mine, but I sanitized it in alcohol because you don't want to, that's how you spread bacteria. Yeah, that's how you spread bacteria, by using a face product over and over again, or something on your face, a tool, because it's spreading the bacteria and causing acne or pimples, and you don't want that. Now we're going sideways. And now diagonal. All right. Do you guys see a difference? Do my lips look plumped? More plumped up? I think a little bit, huh? Already. It doesn't hurt either. It actually, I like how it feels. So you have an hour after derma rolling to apply a product, and whatever product you apply is going to absorb more readily into your skin than if you did not use the derma roller, because of the little holes. What derma rolling is doing is it's actually boosting collagen production, because our normal like skin cycle is every 28 days. While using a derma roller, you're taking little needles and you're poking little holes into your skin. So that is causing a wound. So your body's like, oh, a wound, I need to heal it. So it starts reproducing skin and speeding up the process. So since there's little holes in my lips now, whatever product I put on is going to absorb more readily than it would without the derma roller. So we have an hour to get our product on. Guys, the stuff, the shea butter that this comes in is so nice. I'm going to put it on another part of my body because there's like a ton in the thing. And like if you use it on your hands or legs, like the excess, I'm telling you, like you're gonna be smooth as a baby's bottom the next day. So I'm gonna put this. This is how it comes, just a little mask like this. Not even one of the cool looking ones, but I'm telling you, it beats any of the cool looking ones. So I'm gonna put on for 15 minutes and then I will see what's going on. What am I doing? Like it matters, but I saw a bunch of product I wanted. Okay guys, I'm back. I left that on for actually a little under 15 minutes, and when you see the before and after pictures, it's unreal. Look, you can tell just by looking. What a huge difference. I'm telling you, when you see the before and afters, it's just like by side. And when I say like I don't go like, I mean, you can tell. You'll be able to tell by looking at it. I'm just straight-faced, 15 minutes apart, the pictures, and that is how much of a difference it is. And the awesome part is when I say, like, okay, so I know what you're thinking. So, okay, cool, Natalie, my lips look great. How long does it last? All day. Seriously. When I say, like, even just using the lip mask alone, I will wake up in the morning, so I put it on at night, so it's only 15 minutes, so I'm waiting all night, like 8 hours or whatever, waking up, and my lips are still good at least halfway through the day. So if you do this lip mask in the morning, guaranteed for all day, they're gonna look great. And I was looking at the ingredients. There's some awesome ingredients in these lip masks. There's actually collagen in them, so you're putting collagen into your lips with the derma roller. You know what I'm saying? So, what do you think? I mean, I think it is a significant difference. Let's throw some lip gloss on and really get these popping. Hey, here. I've been obsessed with my Fenty lately. I don't know why. So neutral and pretty. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. Check it out. I gotta get a picture of these too. Hey. So I want to know what you guys think if you've ever tried this lip mask or Derma Roller on your lips. I want you to tell me if you think you see a significant difference in the before and afters, because I know I do. I just want your opinions on this, because I am telling you, this is one of those things. Another one, I feel like I've been finding all these great things that I think is an awesome trick, something I plan on using all the time. I mean, the difference, even just like in the moisture of my lips. Like, I've used other lip masks and I'm like, okay, like it helped. There's something about the amount of moisture these lip masks provide to your lips that it's like all those creases and cracks, like when you take it off, just gone. Like totally flat, beautiful plumped lips. And it's like, just what I've been wanting. And the Derma Roller really helps with that too. So tell me what you guys think. Let me know what you think of the video, you know. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hey. I got some videos I know you guys want to see coming your way this week. Coming your way. Yes, sir, ma'am, whatever you are. So anyway, head to the Insta also, check out the giveaway. Got a lot going on this week, got a lot going on. Hey, I can't wait for Wednesday for story time. Oh, I can't wait to talk. You know I like to talk. Okay, so I'm gonna go now, because like if I don't, I'll just talk forever. So comment on these, tell me what you think. Seriously, I want to know. All right, love you, bye.